Bilt MasterCard Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think the Bilt MasterCard is just another rewards card for renters. But the surprising truth in 2025 is that this card can transform everyday rent payments into significant rewards, all without paying any extra fees to your landlord. In this review, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the Bilt MasterCard, including its reward structure, fees, benefits, and real-world examples, so you can decide whether it's worth it or better left in the wallet. Let's start with the basics. The Bilt MasterCard is a no annual fee credit card that allows renters to earn points on rent payments, along with bonus rewards for travel, dining, and other categories. It's particularly appealing in 2025 for anyone who pays rent regularly, as it converts what is usually a dead monthly expense into a point-earning opportunity. Beyond rent, it also provides a rewards ecosystem that competes with other premium cashback and travel cards. Key features in 2025 1. Rent rewards The hallmark of the Bilt MasterCard is its ability to earn points on rent payments without any transaction fees. In 2025, cardholders earn 1 point per dollar won on rent, up to a maximum of 50,000 points per year bonus points for on-time payments. This is a unique feature because most credit cards either don't allow rent payments to earn rewards or charge fees that negate the benefit. 2. Bonus categories The Bilt MasterCard also rewards non-rent spending. 3 points per dollar won on travel, 2 points per dollar won on dining, 1 point per dollar won on all other purchases. This makes it a hybrid between a travel rewards card and a practical everyday spending card. 3. Welcome bonus In 2025, new cardholders typically receive a welcome bonus of up to 20,000 points after meeting the minimum spend requirement in the first 3 months. Depending on your redemption method, these points could equate to roughly $200 in rewards, a significant incentive for new users. 4. No annual fee One of the most appealing aspects of the Bilt MasterCard is that it carries no annual fee. This makes it accessible to renters who want to earn rewards without additional costs, unlike premium travel cards that often charge $95, $550 annually. 5. Travel and transfer benefits Points earned with the Bilt MasterCard can be transferred to several airline and hotel loyalty programs, including major partners like United, Southwest, and World of Hyatt. This flexibility allows users to maximize value if they redeem points strategically for travel. Real-world example To illustrate the potential rewards, let's look at a typical renter who pays $1,500 in rent each month, spends $300 monthly on dining, and $500 monthly on travel. Rent, $1,500 x 12 months equals $18,000. Earn 1 point per dollar won equals 18,000 points. Dining, $300 x 12 months equals $3,600. Earn 2 points per dollar won equals 7,200 points. Travel, $500 x 12 months equals $6,000. Earn 3 points per dollar won equals 18,000 points. Total points earned in a year, 18,000 plus 7,200 plus 18,000 equals 43,200 points. If redeemed for travel through Bilt's portal or transferred to airline partners, these points could easily be worth $500, $700, depending on redemption strategy. All this without paying any annual fee. That's a remarkable return compared to most general rewards cards. Pros of the Bilt MasterCard 1. Earn rewards on rent The ability to earn points on rent without fees is truly unique. Most credit cards either prohibit rent payments or charge a 2-3% transaction fee, which can erode the benefits. 2. No annual fee The no-fee structure makes it accessible and low risk, especially for renters who may be budgeting carefully. 3. Flexible points redemption Points can be used for travel, fitness classes, mortgage payments, or transferred to airline and hotel partners. This flexibility allows for high-value redemptions when used strategically. 4. Bonus categories for travel and dining Cardholders still earn above-average rewards for travel and dining, making it competitive with many travel-focused cards without the annual fee. 5. Credit building potential Payments made on time and responsible usage of the card can positively impact your credit score, which is especially beneficial for younger renters or first-time cardholders. Cons of the Bilt MasterCard ***. 1. Limited grocery rewards ***. Unlike some cashback cards that offer 6% on groceries, the Bilt MasterCard does not provide elevated rewards for supermarket spending. For families or households with high grocery bills, this could be a drawback. 2. Redemption complexity ***. To maximize point value, some knowledge of travel partners is necessary. Redeeming points through Bilt's travel portal may not always yield the highest value. 3. Foreign transaction fees ***. The card charges 2.7% on foreign purchases, making it less ideal for international spending compared to travel cards with no foreign transaction fees. 4. Caps on rent rewards ***. While 1 point per $1 is solid, there's a limit of 50,000 points earned per year on rent. High-income renters paying very large monthly rents may hit the cap before the year ends. Tips to maximize rewards ***. 1. Pay rent with the card strategically ***. Since 1 point per $1 on rent is unique, ensure that you pay your monthly rent through Bilt whenever possible to maximize rewards. 2. Combine with other cards for grocery spending ***. If groceries are a large part of your budget, pair the Bilt MasterCard with a high-reward grocery card, like American Express Blue Cash Preferred, to optimize total rewards. 3. Use points for travel or transfer to airline partners ***. For maximum value, redeem points for flights or hotel stays through transfer partners, rather than direct cashback or statement credits. This can double or triple the value of your rewards. 4. Monitor bonus categories ***. Pay attention to travel and dining spend to ensure you earn 2x or 3x points, where applicable. Comparison to competitors in 2025 Chase Sapphire Preferred: excellent travel rewards and redemption options, but carries a $1.95 annual fee. Does not earn on rent. American Express Blue Cash Preferred: great for groceries and streaming, but charges $1.95 annually and does not provide rent rewards. CE Double Cash: flat 2% cash back on all purchases, no bonus categories or travel partner transfers. Does not allow rent payments. For renters, the Bilt MasterCard is unmatched in 2025 because it transforms a mandatory monthly expense into a reward-earning opportunity. Other cards can beat it in specific categories like groceries or flat-rate cashback, but none provide fee-free rent rewards. Customer reviews and feedback In 2025, cardholders report high satisfaction for earning points on rent without extra cost, positive experiences using points for travel or transferring to airline partners, occasional frustration with foreign transaction fees, and grocery spending limitations, appreciation for the no annual fee structure. Conclusion So, is the Bilt MasterCard worth it in 2025, or should you leave it? If you are a renter and regularly pay rent, this card is one of the few in the market that truly rewards that expense. Combine that with travel and dining rewards, a welcome bonus, and no annual fee, and it becomes a compelling option for most renters. However, if you rarely pay rent with the card, spend heavily on groceries, or frequently travel internationally, you may want to supplement it with other cards better suited for those categories. In short, the Bilt MasterCard is best for renters who want to turn their largest monthly bill into rewards, enjoy flexible travel options, and keep fees low. With careful planning and strategic redemption, it can be a cornerstone of a rewards-focused financial strategy in 2025. Use it wisely, pay your balance in full, and make your rent work for you. This is where the Bilt MasterCard truly shines.